Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, so how much visit at the hospital today, sweetie?
6.
6 visit to the hospital. How many visits you get to the hospital?
Depends with when your baby will come.
Like how many visits? 8 visits?
With Hamesh I did 8 because everything was so perfect.
Yeah.
I'm not saying everything is not perfect with this, but with Hamesh, most of the time we could go and the doctor is like, let me see you in 2 months' time.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see you in a month's time, like that.
So this is what, the 6th visit?
So this is my 6th visit, but with Hamesh I did 8 visits.
You have like 3 visit leave. 2 more visits.
Sometimes you can do even more. I'm saying it
Yeah,
depends. If you have complications with your baby, or the doctor needs to keep a close check to you, you can do even like, you can go even every week until you give birth, depending on why they're keeping a close check to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So on our way to the hospital for the 6th visit or 5th visit?
This is my 6th.
Sure?
Number 6, yes.
So much?
Yeah, I have my card here.
Aye.
It is. See?
Yeah, family.
Oh, it's the 5th. Sorry.
It's the 5th. I can't.
Yeah,
I couldn't do the 6th video. I'm surprised.
The 5th one. Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
The
family.
5th
So
one.
on our way to the hospital.
I guess I'm confusing because I was to go on the 3rd and then we had to push, so I was saying like it's my 6th.
Yeah, family. So it's the 5th visit, and we just want to take you along. We're going to the Alkaline hospital. And if you're not a member, join the membership. We're going to take it the entire process under our membership account. It's not for everybody, you know. These things kind of more like secret. But if you want to know the insights and, you know, the journey and what things look like in a hospital in Kenya, in the city of Nairobi, you can actually join our membership program and watch our videos that we'll put up there for you to watch. So you can see, if you want to come with your family, you'll have you know, you have an idea of what it looks like to give birth in Africa, you know, what it's like, family. So just continue watching the video, family. You know, normally when I'm in Kenya, I normally use Aramex to pick up my package. They're actually at the gate waiting for me with some package. You can spin the camera. Aramex guys right here waiting.
Let's see if I know which one to spin. Is that?
Hit it 3 times. Toop, toop, toop.
This one?
Yeah, 3 times.
Like it's not going.
Yeah, family. This is the Aramex guys here waiting.
Oh, it's yeah.
How much money I have to pay?
He's not even good enough. Guess he's vexed.
Come on this side, my brother.
He's vexed.
So it's only 2 package.
Yeah.
2 package. How much is it?
12, both. For one is 12. Now it's 24.
24. Yeah, family. So we use M-Pesa to pay here.
Yeah.
And you know, when you actually use M-Pesa, you just log in on your thing. And what's the pay bill?
Pay bill 3177
3177 26.
Yeah.
And then account number.
Account number is 946
946
580
580
1262.
1262. It says 2,400.
2400.
2,424, right?
Yeah.
Alright, family. So we pay with M-Pesa instant, 0 fees. So it's 0 fees when you have a till number, sweetie.
It depends. Some tills have transaction cost, others don't have.
So wonder why this one don't have?
And others are even extreme, like the expressway.
Yeah.
They cut transaction cost, and even to the bank they still add your transaction cost.
Wow.
So it depends.
Depends. But I find that some of the, maybe it's just maybe the bank where they use or something. These two, alright.
Like most of the time, I don't know whether Equity has. I don't know.
Alright, man. Thank you so much.
Okay. Can I write the M-Pesa code?
Sure.
You send it?
Let me just send it to you.
Sorry?
Let me just send it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just text it to you. Yeah, family. So this is how you do it in Kenya. Everything is fast and easy. Order stuff from the US, China, Singapore, India, all around the world. Turkey. And Aramex will bring it to your door, family. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna add what is in this. You want to see what is in it, really?
I'll see it later.
Let me show you what is in it.
Time is
Time's on our side.
going.
Well, I'm going to show you guys what I order.
Let's see what you ordered from where?
Order some stuff from Vegan Choice Food too.
Okay.
With the camera is on me.
Of course.
So this is what I order. Oh, this is like a mouse. It's like an Apple mouse from a computer.
Okay. Wow.
I just guys have a MacBook now I'm working with. It's actually used. It's actually just charge it. And it's nice. So this is
it's very nice.
It's like a MacBook thing from a mouse. You work faster, family, when you have a mouse than when you're using the touchpad.
Imagine I packed my bread and then I've forgotten it.
Yeah, bread and what you pack?
Bread, now I've cut it still alone. Will this even help me?
Yes, family. So this, guys, is actually Botina oil. It's good for the hair and a lot of stuff. You can get it at veganchoicefoods.com, family.
Let's show them the packaging.
Veganchoicefoods.com. You can get this Botina oil. Wow, so it's from the nut of the Botina.
Wow. Smelling so nice. This is it, guys. Let me show them.
So Botina oil, get it at veganchoicefoods.com. This actually straightening your hair.
I like that.
You know.
This is the content.
Yeah, family. So research Botina oil, and you will need this for your hair, family.
Like right now, I'm natural.
Yeah, like you naturally need this for your hair. Alright, family. So let's go. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. Like, share, and comment on the video, and continue watching the vlog. We are out for now. Let's go. Guy, family, look there. Look, cloud.
Guy, and water is coming from inside.
Guy, I wonder what happens if a river broke out or something.
Maybe they're not busted.
Guy. Maybe
And
that guy, and the thing actually sinking, you know?
Yeah, the thing is sinking inside.
Guy.
Hey, if it was another hospital, just I'll be panicking.
You have that hospital smell and all kind of
smell, and then everybody is like, me here, I don't see sick people. I even wonder why it is a hospital.
You don't sick people running.
No, because to be honest, when you go to the government hospital like Kenyatta, be one day, I don't know. I don't wish to you to have the experience. We've experienced it. But once you go to such a hospital, you even here on the road you'll see somebody. Maybe they've not been collected. Yeah, they're just laying down. They're unable to bring themselves up. You know.
Wow.
Yeah, somebody is extremely, extremely sick.
Very good. Wow, family. This Hotel Aga Khan is like a hotel.
Hotel Aga Khan.
Hospital Hotel Aga Khan is like a hotel.
Yeah, I don't know whether when somebody comes sick, maybe they're people to pick you from there. Anyway, anybody who is coming here, of course, they're coming with a car. I've not seen anybody walking. Maybe there's ambulance, or if you come with a taxi, there's a nurse is ready to receive you.
Yeah, something like that.
And I remember at some point I was panicking with Hamesh, and then we took him to that Aga Khan Medical Center in Ridgeways. I remember how they called the main hospital and be like, so and so is on their way, you know. So it looks like it's coming back.
Which one?
The last time.
When they?
Here. This KAX. Oh, it's not coming in.
Which one?
KAX. This one.
Right there.
Yeah. Between this
coming
time.
Out? Why did I come out?
I feel like it's coming now.
Yeah, family, this is actually the parking lot here in Aga Khan.
So you don't come across sick people?
Yeah, you don't come across.
Round and round and round. What's happening?
I'm wondering, the parking on the other side. Really sweet. No more rolling with my entourage.
The dashboard.
Unless I'm in Kenya. But I see that this soldier is bringing us to a good spot. Let's see.
They'll walk far.
No parking?
There are many of them.
Many are, thank you.
I guess maybe those ones don't want to park down.
Would you come early? Would I get parking?
Of course. If you came at around 8, 9, she would have
I'm
gotten
rolling with. Let's go in the
And I removed this tire for you here.
No, there's nothing there.
Oh, even that's parking there between Noah. Is it Voxy or Noah?
Things gone bad. Things gone bad.
I swear this is far bad late.
I'm rolling with my entourage.
This is where our girl parked that day.
Running round. My entourage. And let's spawn in the terror squad.
I doubt you can manage. And then you hear. Oh, they have a mobile clinic.
Can't stop it now, sweetie. That's a mobile clinic?
This truck in red here. Mobile clinic.
Mobile clinic. Yeah, family. So we're actually walking towards the hospital now. The parking lot. Park all the way down. We are all the way down.
And then we've been busting parking there at the shed.
For the last 2 times we came, we get those nice parking.
If you saw us busting.
But
Parking.
guys, let's go. Each day is its day. Every dog got its day. No day is the same day. So it depends on the time.
What's 37 minutes?
I say if we did come early, we'd actually get. If we did come early, we'd actually get a spot. Yeah. Alright, family, let's go.
You're otherwise okay?
I'm fine.
Is the baby moving?
Baby is moving well.
Yeah.
It's playing good.
Playing good, yeah?
Just having pressure on my legs. I'm performing something.
Just a bit of varicose, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can maybe, as in, do you stand a lot on your walk?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
So it's not too much for one.
But I notice when I sit down for long, even when I'm sleeping in the morning, getting like this, I'm eating this like this.
You can use pressure stockings, right? But you don't feel pain. It's just heaviness.
It's just on this leg.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. No, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not so much I can see. Yeah, so it's the process of the baby is preventing the blood from the legs to go back up because it's compressing the baby from the leg.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if you have that tendency to form a bit of varicosity. So the main thing that you can do is the pressure stockings, but they're not very comfortable to wear in a tropical climate. Yeah.
Very normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. out right now. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it there. Yeah.
It was Steven. Even her, and it's not like she was like that.
Yeah, family, so. What else you need? Yeah, let me have passion juice.
On white or brown toast, the sandwiches?
Brown. Yeah, brown. Let me have passion, one passion juice. That's it.
One passion juice.
Yeah,
So 2 avocado cheese and tomato sandwiches.
Yeah.
And 1 passion juice.
yeah.
So 1,530.
Very good. Very good. What is it? 315 So 500 and how much? 1,500. Maybe we can go on that side. Get ready. How long will it take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Okay, have a good wait. Alright, let's wait then. You just go around here. Like 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's quite a
Yeah, family. So we actually in the restaurant of this hospital. As I said before, this hospital is like a hotel. That's what it's it's like in a hotel. Yeah, so we're waiting on avocado sandwich families. It's 15 minutes, a long wait. Let's wait. Continue watching the video, like, share, and comment. Alright, sweetie, let's go. You eat already?
Yeah?
You eat?
Yeah, I'm bit told to woke up at 12:30.
Ah. Huh? He hasn't eaten.
I think he woke up at 12:30.
Ah.
He woke up, he was given porridge.
2 carrot rolls.
He was given porridge, thank you.
Hmm?
He was given porridge.
Okay.
Then, after porridge,
Yeah, family. So we just get back from the restaurant with the food. We actually heading home. I wonder if I have the car keys with me. So we just getting going out now.
so he has drank water, he has finished.
Yeah.
So she's asking me, can I give him now or wait until around to something you'll give him?
Water.
No, he has drunk water and porridge already.
Oh, so she want to give him the food.
Yeah, I told her how to do it. When you give porridge,
Yeah.
they stay like 30-40 minutes, you give
Okay,
him water.
okay. Ah, okay, okay.
After water, you wait for like an hour, you give food. So,
Okay.
this she's catching. And as soon as you finish the porridge, she's telling me
Yeah.
he has remained a little.
Okay, okay. All right, family, let's go. Bye, sweetie.
Okay, you mess up your shirt now. You know, it was one, now you're mixing everything. Hello. Si kwa sasa. Yeah. Bye.
Coming up.
Yeah. I'm not going hungry.
Yeah, family. So, back in the car and eating. It's avocado sandwich. Miss Jam Tours. They like the scan and everything.
I love it. What you like? I like my doctor.
With the
I love
baby.
her because she's too much on the details. She's a nice thing. Huh?
Yeah, family. This is the avocado sandwich. And I'm messing up myself.
You know how I've looked at you. And in a white shirt. Don't worry, I got you. You know how I do it, don't you?
Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on
I
this
wonder where
video.
they get the avocados. They're normally so blue band.
The avocado is very nice. Yeah, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Zanke Roo from Jam Tours Africa.
I guess there's no parking. Oh, many avocados.
Yeah, family, so we're actually heading home. And Miss Jam Tour says she wants to drive go in. So I give her the car to drive go in.
Because I did drive coming out.
And then my drive coming out, so I have to drive go in. Yeah, family, so I think Miss Jam Tour is doing good. She's actually ready for the road, family. She's ready for the road. So baby's fine, everything is fine. And we just, you know what I mean, eating right for the baby and everything at the moment. So you see having some pain in your foot really.
Yeah, with the joint.
So all the issues, you know, the baby might sit on your leg where the blood is flowing and stuff. So those are just some small issues that most pregnant mother will face. This is Ankeru from
Okay.
Jam Tours Africa.
Those are the problems that they always
Like,
face.
share and comment.
Because sometimes they're just
We are out.
they're just
Sometimes they are just